I got one more electric cycle project for you today. Really excited to talk about it. This is a Worksman cycle, and it's going to become electric. This Worksman cycle is going to get a nice little conversion. This is a pretty cool old folding one. As you can see, it's got one of those 20-inch tires on it. It's got a pedal chain. It's got a 3-speed Sturmey Archer rear. It is pretty cool. So let's just run through this build, go all into it. I built a hub motor wheel. We're going to throw a battery on it. We're going to throw a controller on it. We're going to throw a throttle on it. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.